Let's take a look at how we draw an interaction diagram for this situation. We are told that the system is the nail. So we write the word nail, and we circle that to show that the nail is the system object. Now we take a look at the objects in its environment. You can see a magnet, you can see a hand, and we always think of the earth as well. Now we ask the question, which of these objects are interacting with the nail at this moment in time? We almost always get earth for free. The earth is interacting with the nail through a gravitational interaction. And then we have the magnet. The magnet we're pretty sure is interacting with the nail. What about the hand? Is the hand interacting with the nail right now? Well, we have to be very careful with this. Is the hand part of a contact interaction with the nail? Nope, it's not in contact. Is the hand part of a non-contact interaction with the nail? Is it exerting a gravitational interaction? Is there a magnetic interaction? No, these interactions are not present. So even though the hand is involved, it's not interacting with the system object. The hand is interacting with the magnet. And we only show interactions with the system object in our interaction diagram. Otherwise, the chain of interactions grows longer and longer. So we've identified two objects in the environment. Now we draw a line to represent the interaction between the system and the environment. And in the case of the Earth, this is a gravitational interaction. So we'll label that with a lowercase g. Now, the magnet is in contact with the nail, and so this is going to be a normal interaction. At the same time, the magnet is part of a non-contact interaction with the nail due to the magnetic effects. And so we'll label that as M. So we have two interactions between these particular objects. We show a separate interaction line for each because these are two different kinds of interactions. When we have our interaction diagram done, it's always helpful to take a look at our rubric. So the rubric is a very helpful reminder for our interaction diagram drawing. So our main ideas show the objects in the system during the interval of time. Yep, we've got the interacting objects covered. And we're showing the interactions between pairs of objects. Details to remember. So it contains all the appropriate interactions and only the interacting objects. We did not include the hand. The system objects are in the circle. That's our nail. Each interaction is showed by one line, and there's no arrows that are drawn as part of this. So it's one line connecting the specific objects. So we've done that. Each interaction is labeled with a single letter. So we have the G, the M, and the N. Each object's name is written only once. And our diagram looks similar to these here. So we have done a good interaction diagram, the starting point of all of our force thinking.